My video guide will help you to remove malicious pop-ups which are associated with the website buyfunllc.com. Buyfunllc pop-up is extremely malicious. It tries to mislead you and to make you click on the allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow button. If it was clicked by mistake, you should urgently implement the measures and fix your browser. Otherwise, you will keep facing the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of your computer screen. And in some cases, you may also be redirected to a lot of other dangerous pages in the internet. So, to deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings. Now you need to choose privacy and security, then site settings, go to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites which are allowed to send notifications and remove all these malicious sites, including this buyfunllc.com, and remove other junk sites if you find them here on the list. So get rid of all of them. This is the manual way to get your browser fixed. However, I also recommend additionally researching and investigating the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device to detect and delete other possibly hidden infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.